Hi, I'm Laura Hager, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you the Exclusive Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cut bundle. This bundle comes with a die cutting machine. It also includes an embossing mat and plate. It includes 2 clear cutting mats and the platform needed to create your sandwiches. It also includes this amazing tool-in-one that helps with almost any project. And this exclusive bundle comes with jumbo nested die sets, which includes the flag banner set, the tag set, and the triangle pennant set. You get all 3 with this exclusive bundle. With this bundle, I'm going to make a coordinating birthday party set. So the first project we're going to make with the die cut machine is a banner that says happy birthday. So we're going to start by cutting out our pieces using the flag banner set. We're going to start by creating our sandwich using the platform and following the instructions that are listed on the platform. We need our cutting plate and then our piece of paper with our die cut. And then the cutting mat on top, and we're going to run it through. And we're going to keep cutting until we have enough little flag banner pieces to spell out what we would like to spell out. So after you're done cutting out all the pieces for your banner, we're also going to make this cute coordinating card using the triangle pennant. So while you have your die cutting machine out, we can go ahead and cut our little triangles. I'm using the smallest die cut in the set to create this card. So we're going to need our cutting plate again with our paper and the triangle. We're going to finish with another cutting plate, and we're going to feed it through the machine. And we're going to do this for every letter of what you would like the card to say. If the piece of paper is stuck in the die, you can use the tool-in-one to help release it. So now that we have all of our banner pieces, we're going to add holes and then eyelets to help us string it onto the string. So I'm just going to add some holes on each side of it. And then I'm going to add some eyelets. Adding the eyelets is great if you're going to reuse the birthday banner or holiday banner or whatever you're making. It just helps make it a little bit stronger so it doesn't tear on the string. So I'm just going to add these. And now once you have your eyelets, you can add whatever you want to say on the banner. I made a birthday banner that's really cute. You can make a happy holidays. You can add photos if it's someone's birthday or anniversary. You can make a bunch with photos and string that up. There's so many different things you can make with this banner die cut set. So next we're going to make a birthday card using the triangle pennants. So I have my pieces that I'm going to add to my card. And there's this really pretty lace card. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of this and then add it to the paper, and we'll add our triangle pieces. I'm just going to center this and stick it right in the middle. And then using the tiny attacher, I'm going to attach the flag pieces. So I'm just going to staple these on. And then now we can add the front of the card to our base. So I've cut down a piece of 12 by 12 white paper to fit with our card. So I'm just going to fold this in half. And I'm going to use a bone tool to get this crease completely flat. And add some adhesive. And we'll adhere the front of the card to our base. And then now I'm going to stamp on the little triangles. So I have some ink. So you can make this card spell out whatever you want. I'm going to have mine spell out thanks. But you can do congrats or happy birthday. I made another one that says make a wish. I added a couple enamel embellishments. It's just a really fun way to add some extra details to the card and to make a coordinating birthday set. This bundle is so fun to work with. I love the variety. You can make such tiny projects, and they're jumbo, so you can make really big banners. There's so many different things you can do with this set for birthdays or holidays, gifts, any time of year. You can use them for scrapbooking, card making. There's so much diversity, and they're so easy and fun to work with. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!